Couponing with Teaser. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Guess what, you guys? I have a special guest with me today. Y'all hear me talk about her all the time, and I'm always telling y'all need to follow her over on Instagram, but she also has a channel here on YouTube. Her name is
Single Girl Coupons.
Y'all, this is my homie. She from Jersey. So if you're from Jersey and a couponer, 100% you need to be watching her, because y'all got Stop and Shop, and I'm real jealous about that, because y'all be doing the damn thing. Well, she be doing the damn thing, and shop right. Boop. So we're gonna head in. We're gonna do this combination video today at Walmart to do our hauls. I got a banging deal. I got $3 for 6 offers.
$3 for 18 offers.
So we're gonna bring you as many offers as we can. Of course, I have a Google Doc attached for you guys to follow along with us. So let's head into the store. Hopefully we won't get kicked out, because she don't know how to act in public. Now my buy kicks for the Find Your Happy Place is no longer available to me. I did get the scan kicks. It's $1. I have one more of these $1.50 off of wine coupons I'm going to use. It's just going to be able to give me 50 cents in overage, but I'll take that than not having nothing at all. Next thing we're going to pick up is a bottle of this Jergens Ultra Healing. You can also get the original scent as well at $3.77. And the 1-2 Smart Source, we got this $1.50 off of any Jergens lotion, and we have a $1 rebate on Ibotta for it. It's going to end up making it $1.47 for the lotion after the rebate. Y'all, I'm not used to being on the other side of the camera, but she's gonna film me on this side. So there's a bunch of other Jergens rebates that are attaching to rebates on Ibotta. Like this one, it has a $1 rebate. There is a $4 off of 2 coupon in that 1-2 Smart Source as well. The limit is up to, I think, 3 times for that one. This one also has a rebate on it for $1. The Weightless Wet Skin has a rebate for $1. And this Ultra Healing also has a rebate for $1, but it's $6.47. Yeah, not the best deal. The best deal is hands down this one that's $3.77. Use that $1.50 coupon, get the $1 back on Ibotta.
Finally found the what is it? Alafia?
Girl, Alafia?
Who knows? But it's a rebate for $2 on Ibotta. Had to come all the way to Virginia to find it. So on sale for $2.69, on clearance actually, and the rebate is for $2. So we can get this product originally, hold up, $10. We're getting this product for 69 cents.
Sound like a win to me.
Boom. Also, another good deal in case you use this product is the Jason's body wash. So we have it in the tea tree and also the lavender. It's $8.98 for each one, but there is a rebate on Ibotta for $4. And then if you go over to your swag bucks and add that rebate as well, you'll get back $8 for 2, making it a total net cost of $5.96 for 2 Jason's body washes, which is really good because that's $3 each when they're originally $9.
Wait. All right, we're about to get a really great deal on some Nivea. So we got some new rebates for Nivea. One in particular is on this Nivea's Men Cream. As you can see, it's $2.03 in my store. Here's a $2 rebate for this. Gonna make this a whole 3 cents. The deal is up to 5 times, so you can max it out. The Nivea Shave Cream is at $4.48 in my store. It has a $1.25 rebate for it. And the Nivea Men Sensitive Cool and the Sensitive at $5.68 has a $2.50 rebate for it. Now, it gets a little better. When you buy 2 Nivea Men products, there's an extra $1 bonus that you will be able to get. I don't plan to do it. I'm going to concentrate on this little cream because I give it to all the men that work in my building, especially the black men, because they can't be walking around looking ashy, okay?
It is winter time, and we got to make sure folks are not ashy. Yes, we do. Ash. This is the season of ash.
We're not doing ashiness, okay?
We're not doing ashy.
One more deal I wanted to show you guys, because I did have a particular follower that reached out to me that was interested in the Just for Men. As you can see in my store, it's marked down to $5.82 because men, they need a little help too. Don't be judging out here judging them, because they don't be judging us. But it has a $1 rebate for it on Ibotta.
Okay guys, so this deal is actually brought to you by Only One Coupon Queen on Instagram, letting us know that the Lola anti-itch wipes are actually attaching to the $5 Ibotta rebate. It is listed, it's on there, so make sure you look for these because they are only $6.98, and Ibotta's giving us back $5. And let me let you guys know this, mine reset, so this will be my second time grabbing this item. Pick yours up today.
All right, guys, here's another good deal that you can do. I can't do it at my store because clearly they are out of it, never have it. It's the Kotex Clearwear. The 16 count, they're $3.92 each. There is a $2 rebate for it on Ibotta. We got this 4 off for 2 in the 1-2 Smart Source. Get back $2 for each of them on Ibotta. Makes it a 16-cent moneymaker. Plus, load your receipt to Fetch Rewards because why? Kotex, as I've always said, is one of the featured brands on Fetch Rewards, so you will always get some points back on there. We're also going to pick up this deal while we're in here too. This Kotex is just $1. I have 1,250 points available to me on Fetch Rewards. Going to make it free and a 25-cent moneymaker.
Oh, hey, Meg the Stallion knees.
And that's going.
Hey, Meg the Stallion knees.
You know I'm recording, right?
I know. Yep. Okay, that's all right. We all love a good Meg the Stallion, right? So guys, we have for you, if you got the kiddies, the Alka-Seltzer chewable tablets for kids. These are $3.79 in store. There is a $5 off of 3 coupon from the 1-2 Smart Source. Doesn't expire until the 30th, but check your Ibotta rebates. There is a $2 rebate for this, making 3 bottles only 37 cents. That's 12 cents per bottle, or if you really want to break it down, 0.004 cents each tablet.
Break it down. Next up, we're going to pick up this micro band again. It's at $5.94. We have a BOGO deal on Ibotta. Buy 2 of them, get $5.94 back, so you're going to get 2 for $5.94. So we're going to pick these up.
Go.
Need an easy rebate to do? Check out the cat food aisle. We're getting something very cheap, 40 cents. There is any cat food rebate on Ibotta for 10 cents, making this just 30 cents. No cats, donate it. There's a hungry cat out there somewhere.
All right, I had to test out my Meg the Stallion knees. I still got it for about 10 seconds, so let's hurry up and do this, okay? We're going to pick up these L'Oreal Elvives at 91 cents. And the 116 save, we got this $4 off of 2. Going to give us some killer overage, you guys. And shout out to my girl, Only One Coupon Queen. She just sent it to me while I was in the store, so shout out to you, girl.
Okay, so we got a snack deal for you, because if you love snacks like we love snacks,
I love a good snack.
Yes, I actually traveled down here with snacks in the car, okay? So we have the Nabisco products. First, you want to make sure that you have this coupon, which is from the 1-9 Smart Source, okay? Then you're going to grab 2 of these gluten-free Oreo cookies. Not that I like gluten-free products, but
I actually tasted them. They don't taste too bad.
okay.
So,
all right, that works then. This is the particular one that is on Ibotta. In addition,
these Ritz crackers, they're $2.82 in the store. There is a $1 rebate on Ibotta that is attaching to it, makes it $1.82.
And the Oreos also have a $1 rebate. They're $3.67 in store. You'll use this $1 off of 3 coupon. Let's calculate that. And then, let's see. We got $3.67. We're buying 2 of them. Plus, how much are these? $2.82. So that's a total of $10.16. Then you're going to subtract your $1 coupon, which brings you down to $9.16, okay? It gets better. You're going to get $3 back from Ibotta, bringing you down to $6.16. But wait, there is more.
There's more?
Yes, girl. On Swag Bucks is giving you $1 back.
Now she got it, but I didn't get it on my Swag Bucks. So,
sorry, girl.
I don't believe her.
You'll get $1 back from Swag Bucks when you buy 2 Nabisco products. That's bringing you down to $5.16. Then on checkout 51, you get also another $1 back
for buying 2 Nabisco products,
bringing you down to $4.16, making it $1.38 for each.
That's not bad.
Not bad, especially
these delicious.
I love a good chip. Okay, love a good chip cracker, because that's what that is. It's a chip cracker.
It's a chip cracker.
So run out, get your snacks for the kids, Some of them are doing virtual learning. Definitely, these are great for them.
Yep.
Or for yourself.
Yep, pick it up.
And then I was gonna.
All right, y'all, I'm gonna pick up this silk creamer again because it's still attached to that $1.25 rebate, and I actually need some creamer, so I'm gonna pick this up. Y'all, she cutting up for real in here. So Wonder Bread is $2.18. We have a 25-cent rebate for it on Ibotta. Yeah, that's a good deal. If you can find some bread, you better pick it up because who knows when the next snowstorm is coming, okay? Stop acting up. Let's go. Here we have some Jolly Green Giant rice veggies. So we're going to pick up this broccolini at $2.48. On Ibotta, there is a 75-cent rebate. Then on checkout 51, there's an 87-cent rebate. So if you pick up one, it's going to make it just 86 cents.
Okay, so here's another deal that you can do. This coupon here for the Trident gum was actually found on the Oreos. It's $1 off a pack of Trident gum when you purchase 1 pack of Oreo cookies. Then on Ibotta, must buy 2, you'll get back $1.12 because it's a BOGO rebate. So you'll grab 2 of these, $2.24. Use this $1 coupon. $1 coupon, making it $1.24, and then you'll get back from Ibotta $1.12, making 2 packs, just 12 cents.
Y'all, look at this. This our new boo.
Found them on Tinder.
Oh, I cannot go in the store with her anymore. I told y'all at the beginning that she was gonna cut up, and she has not disappointed. All right, y'all, so here are our baskets. This is Yakima. Y'all can see she is not gonna finish her rebates today, but we're gonna make a huge dent. And then here is my basket here. So let's go check out and see how it all turns out. Forgot to tell you guys, we're gonna try this deal on these Big Soul razors. They were like $3.47 each. Well, in our 1-2 Smart Source, we had the $8 off of 2. We're gonna see if it's gonna let them push it on through so it can give us some overage. We'll let you know if it works or not. My bad, y'all. It's in the 1-9 Smart Source. The 1-9 Smart Source for that big coupon. But I can tell you for sure, some areas got the $4 off. And that one is definitely attaching to one of them, giving you overage. So if you got the $4 off of one big coupon in the 1-9 Smart Source, it will work on those big razors. All right, guys. So here is the breakdown of everything. Here is my receipt. You can see it was $43.13 out of pocket. Every coupon took. We did have to get that $8 coupon for the big to be put in as an override, because we know that at Walmart, anything that's over $5, you have to get an override for it. But it went through and attached, no problem. And so did that $4 coupon to the L'Oreal that was clearance out. So that was some great overage for us. So spent $43.13 for myself, got back $31.29 in just basic rebates, $3 for the midweek bonus, got back 2 cents from Swag Bucks for loading any receipt, got back 94 cents in scan kicks, and $35.25 overall, made it $7.88 for 25 items, or just 32 cents each item. Here's the breakdown of the overage from the big coupons. We got $1.06 for the 2 transactions we did, and for the L'Oreal, it was $2.18 times 2. So the overage really helped.
Okay, everyone, it is Single Girl Coupons, and I'm going to show you all the totals from my cart. So total spent out of pocket was $57.56. I got back a total amount of rebates of $46.99, making my net spend $10.57, 29 items, 36 cents per item. On Ibotta, I got back $34.23, Swag Bucks $9.04, Checkout 51 $1, Coupons.com was $1.50, Fetch, because you know we always have to calculate in Fetch, 18 cents, and Shop Kicks, because we scanned our behinds off in the store, I got back $1.04 from Shop Kicks. So here is my receipt, as you can see. Great overage from the Bic razors with the $8 coupon. As Tisa told you all, don't forget that you will need an override for that, because anything over $5 at Walmart, you do need an override for. Happy shopping, guys.
All right, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to go and subscribe to Single Girl Coupons YouTube channel and her Instagram account. Also, make sure you subscribe to Only One Coupon Queen, because she really came through with that overage for the L'Oreal. So make sure you guys go to Instagram and show her some love. Make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. And make sure you're following me over on my TikTok. Until the next time, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and God bless. Peace out.